time to cluck around and find out.
Yeah, I'm psyched for our new show.
Tonight, we've got the world premiere of Rooster Fighter.
Followed by all your favorite shows.
And we're wrapping it up with a bonus replay of Rooster Fighter.
Just in case anyone falls asleep before showtime.
Okay, let's do this.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
KG is the cock of the walk.
You really make my crown curl!
Rooster Fighter will be right back. Pyoko is too cute.
And now, back to Rooster Fighter. Spear and Fang are truly inseparable.
Primal is up next.
This is one bird you don't want to play chicken with.
You're going down, you demon!
Rooster Fighter is up next.
You want some of this? It's yummy fried chicken!
Fried what?
These demons don't stand a chance.
It's the demon fighting Rooster!
Rooster Fighter will continue in a moment.
Squawk about, find out.
Rooster Fighter now continues.